Hi, in this video I will teach you how to install Google Maps data extraction software, and it's a Chrome extension, so we need to install this in Chrome. Okay, so the first thing you need to do is download the file, and after that unzip the file. So I'll right click on this file and click on extract here. You can unzip it the way you want, and you'll see a folder. Okay, so this is the folder which we need to import in extensions. Okay, so what you need to do next is you need to open a browser. Okay, and you need to type Chrome, Chrome. I'm already in extension section here. Chrome / extensions. Okay, and then click on the enter button. Hit the enter button. Okay, so you'll reach here. Okay, and out here on the right hand side you'll see developer mode. Remember, it has to be on. It has to be switched on. Okay, so this is off and this is on. Okay, remember that. Once it's on, okay, on the left hand side you'll see load unpacked button. Click on that and select a folder, okay, that you have already extracted. So this is the folder, and I'm going to select the folder and click on the select folder button. Okay, and if you see, the Chrome extension has been imported successfully. Okay, now if you want, you can just pin this by clicking on this icon here and click on the pin button. Okay, so on the right hand side you'll see this orange color icon. Click on that and the extension will be loaded. And using the software is very simple. All you have to do is type the keyword and location here. You can type multiple keywords and multiple locations also, like doctor, dentist, website designing companies, etc. And then you can type multiple locations as well. Okay, and all you have to do is click on the extracting button. That's it.